What up, people? It's your boy Manny Salgado. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Manny's Mexican Minute. This time we're at Lao Kitchen on Broadway Street in Rockford Illinois in between 7th and 8th. If you've never been there before, do your taste buds a favor and go try some of this delicious food out, man. The food that we tried was delicious. The service was great. Definitely a 10 out of 10. The reason that we went there was because of these spring rolls that I seen on social media. These are definitely a 10 out of 10. I'm going to go back and get those again. They're made fresh daily. But once we were there, everything that I tried was great. Like these noodles, they're kind of like pad thai noodles. They're the Lao noodles. Those were great. We've also tried the banh mi sandwiches. Those are definitely a great bite to eat at lunch. Definitely something different. But everything that we had was great. The service was great. Definitely a 10 out of 10. The food was a 10 out of 10. But I'm going to leave you guys with that. Let me know what you think. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease. By the way, if you like this video and my content, make sure to like, share, and follow. I appreciate you.